No prizes for guessing what today's video is about. EIRA Snow. EIRA. Nice and easy. That's the actual stuff, the snow. BWRW is snowing. It actually literally means to hit with snow, really. Some people in southern Wales will say bwrw, to hit, but you can also say taro and curo and things like that. So BWRW, it's hitting snow. We only really use bwrw for things that we can actually hold for weather now, like bwrw glaw. We can hold rain technically. Bwrw cesair or bwrw cenllysg, so it's hailing or it's sleeting sort of thing. We can hold that, so we use bwrw for it. We wouldn't really say bwrw gwynt because it can't really hold the wind, you know what I mean? There are other words though. Ord. Ord is actually quite an archaic word now, but it actually is the term to describe falling snow. So actually this stuff is ord until it hits the ground, then it's EIRA. Up here in the northeast, we'll say ODI, which isn't really a proper word, and it sounds a lot like how people in the southwest would say ODI. Yes, ODI ma fe. Yes, it is. But ODI up here means snowing. So, yndi, mae an ODI yma, or if I want to mix up southern, southwestern Welsh, ODI, man ODI. Yes, it's snowing.